bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Què, com ha anat la recollida?
Molt bé.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth
Però hi havia molta brossa, hi havia molta, eh?
Home, hem comptat, o sigui, sense exagerar, per sobre dels 90 quilos.
Déu-n'hi-do.
Great outdoors, forever free.